Yo, what's up, Mulibwanji Bamzanga, Mulibwanji, Antu Anga, Inendele Bueno. Yo, guys. It's been a minute, man. I feel like I'm one of those people that, left home and never came back. But yeah, it's hard for me to come back. I'm doing a lot of things. As we already know, I'm doing a lot of political stuff in Africa, and I'm busy with that. And also doing school, and then on top of that, I'm a parent and a husband. So it's a lot of things. So I really apologize for not doing this. But I love listening to music. I love seeing the artists grow. And I have my reasons. One day I'll make a video telling you guys why I kind of like the reacting to music, African music is kind of discouraged me. But we're back. Driemo, nyimbo ya new Driemo says Pensulo. That's the name of this one. Let's get to it. If you're here for the first time, Tswana langa di titi ndi mankala kuno ku USA koma di macho gera ku Tswana. Let's go. Hey. And Driemo is like lifting, huh? Oh, I see the muscles there. My goodness, it's been a minute since I watched Driemo's music. Yeah, he's getting fit. Oh, yeah.
Chikondende chipako mwina uzaka paka wena inandili pano iwe kumakasaka wena itasaini la Pensulo Maleti certificate nditasaina ndi Pensulo kuchitila mwina ukatasinta Pensulo Maleti certificate nditalemba pondi Pensulo masignature nditafufu mwina.
Yo, I hope that he's not signing with a pencil to rub it off, like, I hope that's not the truth.
Maboza maningi kwa chuluka ama pretending siniza puna moyamba atafunika la bala ukatayamba kutamika yani rede la bala ukatayamba mambala Pensulo jitila mwina ukatasinta Pensulo signature titafufuta.
Whoa, what is going on? Yay! Pashani
ukazayamba zibelu ufuna kundipata bize ukazayamba zidelu ukazayenda la bala ukazayamba kumatamika kumafuna ndikutamande iwe kumatitama bazayenda la sikuti sinima kukonda Kuma ziko lino lidapenga kale Andwa machenja lidasunga la bala.
Yo, guys, what's going on? Okay, let me know what the song is all about. You all know that I struggle to hear what Driemo is saying most of the time because you guys said, he's speaking real stuff. So let me know. But I think I was thinking that he's signing with a pencil to like rub it off later, but it seems like he is saying the girl signed with a pencil. I don't know. Let me know. Am I wrong or am I wrong?
Maleti certificate ndizalema pondi Pensulo kusitila mwina atafunika la bala ukatayamba kutamika yani rede la bala ukatayamba mambala Pensulo jitila mwina ukatasinta atafunika la bala ukatayamba kutamika yani rede la bala ukatayamba mambala.
producer went crazy on this one. It's like, oh, you said I should do this? Okay, I'll go. I'll do it. Yo, that's nuts, man. This is a beautiful song, beautiful video as always. Like Driemo, I think is one of those artists that I feel like, you know, if he can keep going, he'll be unstoppable. And I think that he should try to branch out of, you know, the Zambia, Malawi pocket. He should try like South Africa, but like he should try Southern Africa. I feel like his music will be well received all over Southern Africa. And I think a lot of artists think that language is a problem, but I feel like, you know, people just rock to your music if it's a good song. You know what I mean? So yeah, I am listening to his and I'm enjoying his music, obviously. Like the videos quality is just like it's on another level. And yeah. You should try to do that. Try. The guitar mix was like nuts. He loves a little note. Yo, man, yeah, that's Driemo all the way from Malawi, if you don't know. So the name of the song is Pensulo. I think that's what I say. Like, yo, we signed with a pencil. Remember, I can rub it off. I don't know what he was saying, but let me know in the comment section. You guys from Malawi. Moli Bwanja, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. I will see you guys on the other side.